Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best, most flavorful apple pie. This is a beautiful pie you guys can make for any occasion, but for July 4th, hey, I hope you guys make this one, okay? It is so easy. It is super delicious. Follow this recipe step by step and you'll be on your way to an amazing apple pie. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the first step we will be doing is making the pie crust, and the list of the ingredients that I'll be using will also be in the description box along with the measurements. There I have some flour, some sugar, some salt, and I'm using a food processor. This is a rich, buttery, flaky pie crust. No shortening was used. This is absolutely amazing. So I wrap them in saran wrap and I place them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now I have my Granny Smith apples, or you can use your favorite tart apples. There are the rest of my ingredients, and now we'll go ahead and peel the apples just like that. Make sure to get all the skin right off of that apple, and then we'll remove the center just like that. Or if there's a better technique you can use to remove the center, that is just fine. You can share that with me in the comment section. Then we'll thinly slice the apples. Looks amazing. Then I place that in a bowl. Now I'm making a sauce for the apples. So I melt 1 stick of butter, and I'm using salted butter. There I'm adding some flour, and I'll whisk that together just like that. Make sure it is nice and smooth and everything really combines well. This actually amplifies the taste. Now I did add some water. Give that a quick whisk. Then I'm going in with my sugar. Absolutely amazing, and some vanilla extract. Whisk that, allow the sugar to melt until it becomes like really light caramel color, just like that. Beautiful. Then to our sliced apple, I did add some ground cinnamon. Beautiful. Make sure to coat all the apples. My son absolutely loved this pie. Oh my gosh, your kids are gonna have a fun time with this. You can make this with them also. So after 30 minutes, I remove my dough from the refrigerator and I roll this out just like that. And then I place this over my pie dish. All right, make sure to tuck everything in really neat. Beautiful. So now to our apples, we pour that amazing caramel sauce we made. OMG. And then we'll place that into our pie dish. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm rolling the second half of the, well, actually I'm rolling the top. We're making a lattice top here, and I'll show you how that is done. It is pretty simple. All right, we'll cut about 10 strips first, just like that. I'm using my favorite pizza cutter here, and I'll take the longer strip and I'll place that in the center, and then I'll do 5 strips right across. Then we'll move 2 strips back, pull that forward and move the alternating strips back, and add the other strip, pull that back, and we'll do that for the other side as well. You see, it's so simple, so easy. Anyone can do this. It just looks scary. All right, guys. So now we're going to tuck that in. And if you guys know how to do that crimp really well, go right ahead, honey. Because, you know, I try to make it look pretty, but the taste is absolutely outstanding. All right, now we add some sugar into some egg, and we'll brush the top of our delicious apple pie, and we'll bake until nice and golden brown. Absolutely amazing. That is just shot from in the oven, guys. Oh my God, this is super delicious. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today. I hope you guys do try this. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.